in C++. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So first I will create one CPP file. I will give a name as a star.cpp. So first I will show you what will be our input. So for input we will take one number, int number. Suppose if I take 5 as input, then our star pattern will look like 5 by 5 stars. So 5 stars and 5 rows. So it will be like a 5 column, 5 rows. So this is how our star pattern will look like. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First I will import all the namespaces. So I have imported the standard input output library. Now I will create one main method. Now in main method, first we have to take one number as input. So I will give one cout statement. First we will instruct user to enter a number. Okay, and for storing this number we will need one variable. So we will create one variable number. Now we will store. Now we will take input from users. So I will use scene number. So the user input will be stored in this particular variable. Now we have to print the pattern. So to print this particular pattern we need two things. Like we will need for loop, nested for loop. So first for loop will be for our number of rows, and second for loop will be for number of columns. So first will, for particular columns, we have to take first for loop int I is equal to 0, I is less than number, and I plus plus. So our first for loop will start from I is equal to 0 and it will go until I is equal to number minus 1. Now we will need one more for loop, nested for loop. This for loop will need for the printing the rows. So int j is equal to 0, j is less than number, and j plus plus. Now inside this for loop we can directly give our cout statement and we'll print the star. And after each execution of the inner for loop we have to give one extra line as well. So I will give cout end of line, and then at the end I will return 0. Now our code is ready. Let's execute the code and see whether we are getting the desired output or not. So now you can see here I am getting one user suggestion, enter any number. I will enter 4. So you can see 4 rows and 4 columns. So our execution is successfully completed and our final code is ready. So this is how you can print star pattern in C++. Thank you for watching the video. If you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more such informative videos.